Okay, I'm going to show you really slowly how to make a pinch twist. So we've got our 260 here. Give your balloon a bit of a squeeze and twist off a bubble of 2 to 3 fingers or so. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to take that neck, pull that balloon over. So that's what you're doing, and then you've got hold of that knot in between your thumb and forefinger, and then you want to pull the bubble up and just twist that round. Okay, and that's a pinch twist. Fine, you say, what if I need to do a pinch twist in the middle of my balloon? Okay, so let's twist off a bubble and make another bubble of, it doesn't really matter how big, but you know, a couple of fingers. So we've got our bubble there. Fold your balloon over, get hold of that bubble and pull it up, okay? And then just twist round and twist a few times. Now, if you find that your pinch twists are coming undone, there is a good chance that you've over softened your balloon. So you need to have a certain amount of pressure in your balloon for the pinch twist to hold. So let me give you an example. I'm going to make this, you know, really soft. And then I'm going to twist off a bubble. And then make that soft, twist off another bubble. Pinch it, pull it, twist it, and it's coming undone. I'm really struggling. That's not going to hold. Okay, so if that's happening to you, it's because you've squeezed your balloon too much and it's just too soft. You need to be able to feel that pressure, that resistance in the balloon for a pinch twist to hold. So I really hope that's been helpful to you, and you know, keep persevering. Pinch twists are a really important thing that you need to be able to do as a balloon artist, and keep persevering.